Well, it's Tuesday afternoon, and the garage door installers are here. There's 3 of them. 4 of them. Counting the boss.
I'm not the installer. You're not the installer. Well, we're working anyway.
Right.
I've been an installer enough to know what I know for
The roof is in up top. Maybe we'll figure out that other outlet went dead.
Oh, okay.
But we're good now. We're good for now. We can.
Hey, it might be a good idea to get a picture of those water lines going down that way too, in case we ever have a problem to know where they're at.
Okay.
That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Well, it's Tuesday morning. The guys are out here putting some lines in, water and electrical lines in, before they pour the concrete. There's a couple of water lines going down here. Then they're going to go under the slab there, and then they'll go around to the right. This electrical line, looks like electrical and water in this ditch here. They're going to pour this side first because the heating and air conditioning guys are going to be coming out tomorrow or in a couple days and putting their units out there on the side. You notice how they do this fender board here. You know, they put a little piece of 1 by something next to it, and they set it back an 1/8 of an inch or so that it will be a nice smooth line when it bends. The garage door installers were here yesterday, and they put these 3 garage doors on. There's a little one on the side, and this tall one here, in the motorhome garage, and this regular one here. And they install the hardware on the side, and they adjust it. There's a spring here on the top, and they adjust it by turning the spring with a special tool on the right and the left side, so that you can lift up the garage door with one hand. It's pretty much balanced. And then they'll install the garage door opener, and it won't be installed like normally, 8 or 10 feet back, installed from the ceiling. It's going to be installed on the side. Well, Jody's here, and he's leveling out the ground for the driveway slab. And he'll be taking away this extra pile of dirt. Okay, I'm just taking this part mainly to show where this pipe runs in case I ever need to know later on. There's 2 pipes running under the wall here. We'll do this ditch under the concrete slab. And then it goes all the way on up here. And here at the side of the house is where it connects up. And there's a ball valve here to shut all the water off going to the back on the left side. Well, it's Wednesday morning. The pumper's here waiting for the concrete truck. And we're going to pour the right-hand side of the house here, the sidewalk. And the pipes are all down underneath it. Everything had to go under there. The forms are in. This hose is for the pumper, for the concrete. And the screen is down, wire mesh. And Rick and Ricky oiled the insides of the forms this morning so that they would come off easily. It's Thursday morning. Yesterday they got the right side sidewalk poured, and today they're over here pouring the one on the left side. So go on the left side and all the way around the back. Is this that same hardy backer that you used on the shower walls?
No, sir, this is 1/4 inch, and we thin set it down to your subfloor, and it's as strong as a slab when we're done.
Oh wow, great. What was the walls? That was a little thicker though, right? 1/2 inch. Okay, cool. Casey brought a bunch of cabinets over today, and these are the drawers. And the granite guy was here earlier taking measurements, and this is a sample of the granite that we're going to be using. And here's the fronts for the doors on the laundry room cabinets. And so there's some more fronts down here on the counter. Casey's brought up the kitchen cabinets, and he's installing them right now. And here's some of the upper ones. Here's the tool that Casey's going to use to cut off the baseboard. Which side are you going to be on?
This is good.
Okay.
It's roughed up because it'll be cut again.
Okay, this is the tool that he uses when he cuts the very bottom of the baseboard, where he has to get down near the floor.
Depress that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And that's the tool he was using earlier when he was cutting the top part of the baseboard. Why couldn't you use the other tool for the whole thing?
You see where at the height it hits the floor here, comes back so it doesn't go all the way through. So we switch that, then we can do the very bottom.
Yeah.
This actually allows you to cut straighter because you can go in, roll the tool, get your score mark, and it's a little easier not to cut the drywall coming down.
Oh, okay.
So this is, and it's a good flat surface, which means you can actually cut a lot straighter of a line. It's almost like this would be that flat by rolling it. So this is good to do the rough end, and then there at the very bottom, up against the floor.
Mm-hmm.
You'll be able to see it in this application. You're not cutting that point.
Yeah, I know. That's a problem with a regular saw.
Yeah, exactly. So you can switch the tool.
Okay.
Here it snap. Then that's much truer of a cut here.
Oh, okay.
And a guy could do it all the way up. I just like using this because I don't cut as much drywall and I can get a straighter line.
Okay.
Hit it here, almost roll it up.
Okay, well, thanks for the
You bet.
explanation. Friday morning, we're in the laundry room, and Casey's putting the door on over here in the right-hand upper cabinet. And yesterday he put these sides on to make it look not so plain. I think the sides are actually just a door that's cut to the right size.
Nice clean hole and depth stop.
Yeah, here's
And then-
this is a jig that Casey made for doing these. I think for doing the
European
hinges, right?
hinges.
Mm-hmm.
The actual backing plates.
Hmm.
That's your center point.
Okay, he's starting another door now, and he has a little shim up there to mark where how high the door goes.
Exactly.
Okay, what is this you're putting down now?
This is underfloor layment.
Uh-huh.
It's going to protect the tile. So moisture barrier, use it for wooden tile, and it's going to protect it from any cracks in the slab.
Oh, okay.
Or basically an earthquake.
So
It won't break.
well, Rick and Ricky are putting the rebar down now for the driveway. They could have used that wire mesh like they did in the sidewalks, but you know, they're building a custom home and they're going to go a little extra quality, which you'll never actually see once the concrete is down. And they drilled into the slab here on the garage and put the rebar in and connected to that. There's the edge for the flower beds. Okay. Oh, I like that. Very nice, Casey. Cool. It's the end of week 33, and this is what the house looks like from the front now. The garage doors are on, and the rebar is down, and they're ready to pour concrete Monday morning. And we have the concrete already poured on the right side and over on the left side. And you can see where the planters are going to be now. One there on the left, one in the middle, one on the right, and then one here right in front of us. And you can see these stakes in the middle. Looks like they're going to use that to gauge the height. There's a little hook on the bottom there that they can put a 2x4 across.